2024 Acura ZDX returns as an electric SUV with up to 500 HP starting from $60,000. Acura's first-ever electric vehicle will also offer hands-free driver assistance technology thanks to a little help from GM. Acura's first dedicated electric vehicle is here, and apart from the covered grille, isn't a massive departure from its other vehicles. That might come as a shock since the 500 horsepower, 373 kilowatts, 507 PS crossover that revives the ZDX nameplate is actually based on hardware provided to it by General Motors. The 2024 Acura ZDX broke cover today at Monterey Car Week, being shown off in A-Spec and Sporty Type S trim levels. Designed at the brand's design studio in Los Angeles, and previewed by the Precision EV concept from Monterey 2022, you could be forgiven for not noticing the GM connection. The ZDX's relationship with General Motors is largely kept under the skin, in the form of the Utlium platform. Acura's new crossover is packing a big 102 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that can offer up to 325 miles (523 kilometers) of range. For the ZDX A-Spec, the battery pack will feed a single, rear-mounted electric motor that Acura estimates will produce a healthy 340 horsepower, 254 kilowatts, 345 PS. Buyers can also opt for a twin-motor AWD powertrain, as standard in the Type S, that makes 500 horsepower, 373 kilowatts, 507 PS, making it the most powerful production crossover ever sold by Acura. Whereas the ZDX A-Spec is tuned for refinement, the Type S will offer a height-adjustable air suspension, performance-tuned adaptive dampers, and big 15.6-inch Brembo brakes with yellow 6-piston calipers. A special sport mode has also been created to ensure that drivers are offered all 500 of their horses, with no concessions for comfort or range. The new ZDX can also recharge at rates of up to 190 kilowatts. On the fastest public charging networks, the ZDX A-Spec can recover as many as 81 miles (130 kilometers) of range in just 10 minutes. ZDX owners will also be treated to a premium interior that marks the first use of a Bang & Olufsen sound system for an Acura. In addition, there's an 11-inch digital cockpit and an 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen display that has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a pleasant surprise since GM said it would be dropping the third-party systems.